Hello everyone, good evening, welcome. Come on in and join me. This is going to be a opportunity for you. My name is Susan. I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, and that is a company that makes costume jewelry that is a fabulous quality at an excellent price point. I now have a thriving business. I have a thriving team. I am able to live day to day without worrying about the next paycheck and all that stuff. Not like I used to be. It hasn't always been this way. So I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease in 2007, and because of that, I've had lots of medical expenses that I've been paying on because I've had surgeries, been in a hospital, take medications, etc. This has really been a game changer for me. So I'll tell you real briefly how I got started in this business. During the pandemic, since we're on lockdown, I was like everybody else. I was surfing the internet and, trying to find things to preoccupy my time. And I came across a friend of mine who was selling paparazzi, and I hadn't seen her in a while. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to say hi to her, see how she's doing and all that good stuff. So I did, and she was showing this jewelry that was just absolutely stunning, and I was just like, this is some nice stuff. She told me it was only $5, and I was like, what? So I thought, well, it probably looks nice, but it's probably got a horrible quality. It's probably made of plastic or, just the worst materials ever. So I decided, I'm going to buy a piece just to see what it's like. It's only $5, who knew? So that's what I did. I bought some jewelry from her, and as a result, I became addicted to it. I started buying all the time. She told me after a while, because I was spending so much money, she was like, look, you obviously love the jewelry, so you know what you can do? You can buy a starter kit and not even sell and just get your jewelry at the wholesale price of $275. And I was like, for real? And she said, yeah, you don't even have to sell. And I thought, you know what? That's a deal. I'm going to take it because I love this jewelry. I buy a ton of it. So I bought myself a $99 kit. And while I was waiting for the kit to arrive, I was watching other consultants, on Facebook, and they were having so much fun and, getting their bling on and making money and forging relationships and all that stuff. And I thought, you know what? Maybe God's trying to tell me something. Maybe this can help me with these medical bills that I have. So I finally got my kit. It took a little while because during the pandemic, everything was slower. Deliveries were slower. Everything was on lockdown. So I finally got my kit, and by that time I had decided, you know what, I'm going to try to sell this stuff. So I got started selling, and I've been full force ever since. I absolutely love this company, but more important than that, I love the people in the company. This team has been unbelievable. So they have trained me, they have taught me how to train people, they have taught me community. I've learned, how to be an entrepreneur. I never thought I would ever be an entrepreneur. It's always been a dream of mine, though. But I never knew that it would come out of the selling jewelry. So I'm just as surprised as you are. And people always wonder, how do you make money selling $5 jewelry? Let me tell you, it adds up. And people, when they buy this jewelry, they always get addicted to it, and they always come back for more. I have a base of customers that always come on my live shows, and they usually buy. So I'm always got customers. They're always inviting new people, or always getting new people on by creating relationships outside of the company. So this is something that anyone can do, male or female. If you're one of those people like I was, living paycheck to paycheck, or you have medical expenses that you've been paying on forever, or even student loans, this can help you. If for anything, it can help you by paying that one pesky bill every month. If you want to go full force, though, the sky's the limit, you guys. Because I tell you what, our upline, a couple of our uplines are 7-figure earners. 7 figures with $5 jewelry. You can make that by selling and by starting a team. You get a commission. Now, your commission on your sales is 45%. There's no company out there that's going to give you 45% commission. I'll tell you that right now. Okay? The other thing is you get a free website for as long as you're a consultant. A free, dedicated website. There's no other company that's going to do that for you either. But more importantly, the startup cost for Paparazzi is nothing compared to other companies. And an additional perk, too, is the fact that it is not a saturated business. You may know Mary Kay or Avon or etc. They have millions and millions of consultants. Paparazzi just has barely over 1 million, and only about half of those are active. So I've heard some people say, oh, Paparazzi's saturated. You know, you may just know people who are in paparazzi. You know, birds of a feather flock together. Also, when you're on Facebook and you look at that stuff, what does Facebook show you? The same thing. It thinks, oh, well, they like this, let's keep showing them this. It is not saturated. It's all about your perception. So this is the time to really lock in and get your entrepreneurial world, spirit, body going, because this is the most popular, fastest growing avenue of making money on the market, is becoming an entrepreneur. When COVID hit, it shifted everybody's mindset. People were working from home and found out that they like it. I found out that I like it. And so they thought, and they realized, you know what, I'm working for these people. They're taking half of my income for stuff that I probably won't ever see, like Social Security, Medicare, et cetera, with the way things are going. So why don't I just work for myself? Hence, that's why entrepreneur life has become a revolution. Everybody's getting on board. Everybody's suggesting it. You probably see on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, all over the place, people are selling their own products or becoming involved with a company to help sell their products. They're being entrepreneurs. They're working from home so they can have a better quality of life, spend more time with their family, get more back on their return rather than giving half your paycheck away. People are focusing more on quality of life rather than quantity of work, which is what we've all been trained to do. You go to school, you get a job, you get more school, you work, you spend the rest of your life paying off debts, and then you try to retire, probably can't, so you keep working until one day your heart gets out and you die. Who wants to live that way? I don't know about you, but I want to travel. I want to live my life. I want to have fun. I want to go to different countries. I want to experience different foods, different cultures, go out with my friends whenever I want to, not have to ask permission for a day off, take a day off when I want to. That's what I want. And I want to help you get that through this absolutely fabulous business. So you may have seen that I put up a little information and details on the description of this live. I implore you to read that, and I implore you to follow the instructions. Either you can email me if you want more information, or you can just get started now. What happens is, if you decide to get your kit today, right now, or anytime after now, you're going to get an email that's going to welcome you. I'm going to get an email that's going to tell me you decided to take that step and take control of your life and your finances. I will contact you within 24 hours, and we will discuss a few things at a time. I'm not going to overload you. A few things at a time of what you need to do to get yourself up and running as an entrepreneur. I'm going to introduce you to our training teams, our sideline, our upline, our downline. You're going to have an endless amount of connection with people that will help you if you have any question whatsoever. We will not let you fail. The only reason why you would fail is if you yourself did not put in the work. But I guarantee you, you will get the training you need with this team. You will get the support you need with this team. Any question you have, we will answer for you. And if we don't know the answer, we will figure it out. We'll show you how to go to your back office, find everything that you need. We'll show you how to set up your own team if you so want to, which is another thing. You don't have to have a team. There are some consultants who don't have a team and they still make $5,000 to $10,000 a month selling jewelry. They hustle. They get out there and do all the different avenues of selling that are available to them. We'll teach you how to do that as well. The sky is the limit with this business, you guys. There are tons of consultants who do this full-time as a full-time business. They support their families. They've retired their spouses. They've got new things, paid off things, have no debt, all that stuff. So if you are tired, sick and tired of being sick and tired of working for other people, working your tail off Monday through Friday or even weekends, and you barely have a life and you still live paycheck to paycheck, this is it for you. The startup cost is like nothing. It is no risk. The worst thing that can happen is you have beautiful jewelry. That's it. Nobody's going to force you to do anything. This is your business. Paparazzi just provides you the product, but you run it how you want to, you call it what you want to, you work the hours how you want to. It is all your business. You cannot find anything else like this, I guarantee it. So don't think about it too long. I say this every time because the longer you think about it, the quicker you decide not to. You'll talk yourself out of it. You'll get scared and you'll be like, well, I don't know if I can do it. Stop the doubting. Stop doubting yourself. Stop thinking you're not good enough. Stop thinking you would fail. You're not going to fail. You know why? Because you're going to change your mindset. We're going to help you do that. And you're going to realize you are made for more and you can do more with your life on your terms. So read the details. Send me an email if you want more information, or just jump right in. Click the link. Get your kit. Let's get started. It's all up to you. I've given you the keys to the kingdom, as they say. I've given you the avenue to take. Now you just have to take that step. I'm looking forward to getting that email value. So let's do this together. Someone gave this gift to me. I want to give it to you. It is fabulous. Thank you for hopping on. I appreciate you. And I hope that you either think about it or you just do it. All right. Thank you so much. Hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will see you soon. Oh, by the way, catch my live show. I'm live Friday through Monday, 8 p.m. Central, right here on Facebook, selling jewelry, slinging the bling, y'all. All right. Have a good night. Thank you again.